Hi, my name is Lauren Fields. I lead the domestic litigation team here at Roth Davies LLC. Today I'm going to be discussing post-trial motions. If your case ends up having a trial, and then your contested issues will be heard by the judge. After trial, the court will render a decision. Typically, the court will outline its rulings and decisions either orally or in writing. The parties will then be bound by those orders. If you are unhappy with the decision granted in court, there are several avenues of recourse available to you. First, you can file a motion for a new trial. To file a motion for a new trial, you must state the grounds for why you believe there were errors made by the court and why a motion for a new trial should be granted. If it is granted, the court will reopen the case and the court can hear new evidence and has the ability to change the ruling that it made. You can also simply ask the court to reconsider its ruling. You can present the court with evidence that they may have made a mistake or why a fact should have been considered in the judge's ruling. The court can look at these motions to reconsider and they are able to change the rulings that they make. Third, you can also ask the court to modify the rulings that it made. Typically, a modification would only become appropriate regarding a child-related issue where a material change in circumstances have occurred since the time the court entered its initial ruling. A material change in circumstances for child-related provisions would be a possibility if there's a major change in the relationship between the child and the other parent. For example, if there's abuse or neglect. It could also be that one spouse is planning on moving to a different city or state. It could also be a change in income, which changes the child support obligation. Anything that is considered a material change in circumstance would grant you the ability to ask the court to modify those child-related rulings that was made during the trial. If you have any questions about the post-trial motions, please give me a call at 913-451-9500.